How to add a new theme on Wix. So it's actually quite impossible and you will be able to only do it indirectly. So in order to do that, head over to your homepage and then click on your store name. And then after that, click on this create new site. So by creating a new site, you should be able to employ another theme that is different on the one that you have right now. So in here, you can just set up your new site and you can also still import all of the elements that you have from there. So I'll just head over and then answer some questions from the Wix itself. And as you can see, it will prepare a dashboard for your site. Now, onto your Wix site creation, you should be able to change or choose your own design or theme that you want deployed for it. In order to do that, just head over to your setup. And then after that, head over and then click on the edit the site or design site option right here. By doing that, you will be able to open the editor and you can generate design with AI or customize a template. So that's how you add a new theme on Wix. Hope we helped.